So the next place I'm going, it's kind of a park. It's open public park here nearby this beach. So I'll see you guys there. And this place is the place I posted my last picture on Instagram. If you can dream, you can make your dream come true. I took my last picture in the park. Just a little bit walking. We are gonna be there soon. Look at that, you guys. I think this mountain is so pretty from the view, street view here. It's high. It's really high. And then, but the view is amazing. Look at that. Yeah. And soon we're gonna be arriving into the park, and I'll show you. And that's the entrance of the park. So it's a huge park, and also really, really pretty. We're here. My Instagram. If you guys go to my page, you're gonna see some pictures from here too, which is I visit here before. Look at this huge park. It is so huge. But I came here again early in the morning. Some solo picnic. It's just me and myself. I have company, but they're kind of busy today, so I decided to come here alone and just enjoy myself, my company. And that is the park view from here. There's a lot of straws, giant straw. That is the view from the park. Look at that. Last time I was here, there were some tables here, but I guess they removed the tables from here, so we're gonna have to sit here on the floor. The tables were here, but it's not anymore, so we're gonna have to find a place for sitting down in this park. Yep. And drink something. We're gonna be walking a little bit. This park is called Governor House in Portuguese. Translating in English, it's kind of a governor house. This is the park. It's open to the public. It is so pretty. The nature and the view, Today, I'm gonna be staying for a day, the whole day here. Huge tree house, look at that. Wow, that is so cool. Then we can walk here. And this is the view from the park. And it's kind of a tree house, but maybe it's a sculpture. Kind of a cool and pretty, also huge looking at it. Let's go up there. I want to live in this tree house. It's cool, this tree house. Huge, huge, huge tree house. Hi, hello. Did you hear that, guys? I'm gonna be walking a little bit. Also, I'm trying to find if I can use my charger for charging my cell phone. This is a gallery. Let's go inside. Let's see what we can. Ah, it's a museum. It's a gallery museum. Cool. Look at that. It's pretty.
Nada. Nem uma coisinha, nem um caranguejo.
Bom, obrigada. Oh my god, that is so cool. turtle and spider and you look at that. So cool. It's all made by wood. There's some shrimp here too. Crab. Look at that. All made by wood. And that is the view from outside. There is a place for charging my phone. I'm gonna be asking her if I can charge my phone here. Wow. He was brave. Is there anybody on this island? This island is isolated from the beach. The other one, this one, and over there, more islands. But nobody's in there. There are empty stones. And the boat. And the beach.
Olha o pastel, olha o pastel.